Long time no see. Kilala niyo pa ba ako? It's me, Anxiety Speaks. So, you see, nasa banyo ako today and I have to speak as soft as I can kasi nasa labas yung dad ko. So, narealize ko lang na parang I need to talk about this. Kanina na I just had a meltdown. So naisip ko lang, parang feeling ko kasi I need to talk about it kasi baka I can help someone think about it. So, ang madalas natin marinig sa ibang tao kapag nalaman nila na meron tayong depression or meron tayong tendencies, ang una-una lang usually sinasabi is, baka kulang ka sa dasal. Yung mga makakanood nito na yun ay iniisip nyo, hindi po kami kulang sa dasal. Actually, madasalin tao po ang mga tulad namin. Kasi kalaban namin ang isip namin. We don't have control sa minds namin. Yes, it is ours. So it should be our control. Pero kaya nga siya tinawag na mental disorder. Because it's not working as it's supposed to be. Ang depression po ay parang cancer. Why would we pray for cancer? Why would we even pray to have this? Alam niyo po, having this illness, I wouldn't want it for anyone to experience, not even to the people I hate. Kasi for you to survive this illness without medication is probably the bravest thing that I could do. Mahirap po to be in a situation where you can't express how you feel and you can't tell anyone how you feel without being judged. Sometimes we can't tell our families or friends kasi actually unfair to vent out on them, unfair to tell them about how we feel kasi they would feel so helpless. Kasi hindi nila nararanasan to so they wouldn't know what to do. And somehow, some of them would feel na kasalanan ko ba because may kulang ba ako, may pagkukulang ba ako, so it's not really healthy. So, isipin mo, so who do I talk to? Well, if you really have that friend who you think na understands you, yung somehow may idea siya na what you're going through, sige, you can tell that friend. Pero hindi siya advisable to talk about to family. And hindi porket family kayo na you think they would understand kasi hindi. Kasi let's face it, during our parents' time, if they ever experience the feelings that we have now, they don't take it seriously. Or I don't know if may nangyayari sa kanilang ganon na reaction ng mga kamag-anak nila or anyone. They're able to handle it better. Kaya hindi natin sila masisisi if hindi nila naiintindihan. Don't take it against the people we love if hindi nila tayo naiintindihan or feeling nyo hindi nila siniseryoso. Ngayon nga up to now, pag sinabi mong depression, ang intindi lang nila is just you're sad today and if you eat something na you like na you'll be okay. There are two kinds of depression. There's depression na kalungkutan lang. And then there's depression na it's a mental disorder. It's a deeper kind of sadness. Itong depression is sadness na hindi mawawala. It will always be part of you. Siguro, parang ano nga siya eh, parang siyang inactive na volcano na magkaroon na siya ng trigger and you will erupt. So, yun lang. I'm doing this video for anyone who has friends or yung feeling nyo bago kayo or feeling nyo mahal kasi talaga ang treatment, di ba? I'm not saying na praying will not help. You know, praying will help. Lalo na to battle the thoughts in your mind. Telling you to do something na hindi maganda. That is when praying really helps. It helps me. It helped me. Yung family ko, for those who know me, please don't ask them what's wrong. Ask me. Don't ask them. Wala silang kinalaman dito. They're not part of this thing. Kaya don't ask them. If you have questions, please ask me. Actually, kung pwede nga lang, I have this thing na inisip ko, oh well, forget it. So, ayun, I hope na whatever you're feeling, who's ever reading, who's ever watching this, and kasi parang sinasabi sa akin for the longest time ni God na sinasabi niya na you have to make this video. So, whoever man ikaw who needs to hear this, I hope I'm not too late. And I'm gonna try to make more videos. So, God bless everyone.